Hello YouTube, my name is DataDrago and today I'll be demonstrating how to set up your LiveSplit for Cult of the Lamb speedrunning. First you'd want to download the latest version of LiveSplit by clicking the download button in the livesplit.org/downloads page. Then you'll want to get LiveSplit ASL helper, which and of course I'll be providing all the links you'll need down into video's description, which can be found from YouTube, no YouTube, but GitHub by Just Arrow. And you'll want just download this one, and it should download it. And then you want to download the Cult of the Lamb specific script by GL Coder, which you can find from his GitHub at github.com/glcoder/ASL, but I'll provide the straight link to the raw file, which should look something like this. You want to download this by pressing Save As, and save it as cultofthelamb.asl and remove the .txt either from here or from the downloads folder when we will be going to get this file. Now we can go check out the files we just downloaded, and it seems that it still has that .txt file extension. To enable file extensions, go View and check File Name Extensions box down here. This is actually something good to have enabled every time you use your computer. Now, to get this file to the right format, we just rename the file by renaming it. And we will remove the .txt extension. And it should look something like this. Next, we will start working with the autosplitter. First, we need to extract the 7th chip. I'll be extracting it here in the desktop. Here, first thing you want to do is install the LiveSplit ASL helper by moving it to the components folder. And then what I like to do is create a separate folder for all of my splits in the LiveSplit folder by just creating new folder named splits. And I'll keep all my split resources here, like this autoscriptor file, which I can just move there. Next, we can start, not there. Next, we can start setting the LiveSplit. I have to give my admin privileges first, and it should open the LiveSplit window. First, we want to go edit layout. From here, you can customize your layout as much or as less as you'd like. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be just going to Control, Scriptable Autosplitter, and opening the script path, which can be found from this desktop, LiveSplit, not x62, but splits and Cult of the Lamb ASL open. It should load, and it should ask removing loads from the Cult of the Lamb requires compare them against game time. Would you like to switch it on? Yes. And now we should be getting this window. If you cannot get this advanced view on the auto splitter, you haven't moved the ASL helper to the components file, or it has been corrupted. Now, this auto splitter works like this. So there are these tick boxes which are conditions when we will want to create a split. We can turn it on or off by clicking any boxes. I personally like my first split to be in a dark wood entrance, so I'll be clicking turning off entering base for the first time and turning on dark wood entrance opened. And I'd also like to use a split when I unlock the golden fleece. And auto splitter works by creating a split automatically when any of these conditions are met. So we will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 splits for our splits. Okay. Then we will go edit splits and we will add 7 splits. We already have 1, so 6 more are needed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And now we will name our route from top to bottom. Dark wood, golden fleece, fleshy, packet, calamar, ramurat, and the end. We can this also creates automatically some layouts, so we will choose the game name Cult of the Lamb, and this will be an example for any present category. We press OK, and to activate the splits, we can go edit layout, add list splits. So we can see the splits here, and we can also add other information from all of this information we have. You may use as much or as little time as you'd like creating these splits and layouts. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to set up Scriptable auto splitter and LiveSplit for Cult of the Lamb speedruns. Thank you.